Hey robotics, welcome to school again. I guess you guys have been back for a couple weeks, but today was our first day being back. So I wanted to let you know kind of what the plan is going to be for this year. Some of you guys may be coming back to robotics that were in it last year, and some of you guys might be new. So I wanted to let you know that my name is Mrs. Allen, and I'm the robotics coach, and we are going to be meeting in my classroom, my science classroom this year. My class is at the high school. It's in room F5. So what you're going to be doing is the 2 days of the week that we're going to have practices, you're going to come to the high school right after school on either Tuesday or Thursday, depending on if you are a group A or group B. If you're remote, let me know that too, and we'll just kind of make a schedule for when is going to be good. So yeah, you'll come meet me in my classroom. Here's my tour of my classroom here. It's like a science classroom. We'll be able to maintain social distancing. I've got the tables all spread out, so everybody can have their own table. We've got 4 robots to work on this year. 2 that we started last year and 2 more that we just got, which means that we'll be able to, once we have our robots built, which hopefully we'll get some good stuff done this year. But if not, then we'll, like in future years, we'll actually have, we'll be able to like compete against each other. Like we'll have enough robots to do a real competition the way that FIRST Robotics generally works. So what you need to know is that last year I actually created a Google Classroom for robotics, and it's linked here in this email. So you're going to want to sign into that. And let me know. The thing you need to do right now is you need to let me know in this classroom here which group you're in. Are you in group A, group B, or are you remote? Because I want to try to limit our numbers in my classroom to 10 or less. Just so we're maintaining social distancing and all that stuff. But what that means for you guys is that we have 4 robots, and if there are 10 or less of you in my classroom, that means you're going to get a lot of really good hands-on time with a robot. So our big project is going to be building these 4 robots with instructions. We've got their kits that we kind of put together the main part of the robot first, and then we can start planning like how do we want to add to it to be able to compete in our competitions. So yeah, I'm excited to have you guys. I'm excited to see some old faces and some new faces. And yeah, let's do this thing. All right, see you soon.